Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we got a quick little small haul from Autozone. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. It's for the 1997 limited 4x4. What is up everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. So I picked up a couple small items for the new to me lifted 1997 Desert Dune and bluish silver metallic two-tone 4Runner 4x4. So I picked up a locking gas cap. I've been using these locking gas caps for 4Runners for the last 15 years or so or more. And then I picked up a LED electronic flasher relay. I picked up an EP35 and an EP36. EP36 does 3 to 6 lamps, and an EP35 does 2 to 4 lamps. These will work from 1996 to 2002 that I can verify. Newer 4Runners, I think the EP37 is what you need for a 2003 to 2005. But comes with 2 pairs of keys, the locking gas cap. These work really well. I have them in the other 2 4Runners, both of the 2000 4Runners, the limited 4x4 and the SR5 have these. It's just a small little tool haul. Nothing massive. Doesn't really need a huge explanation of everything either. Just, you know, a couple items I wanted to show you guys. I've been using these Novita flasher relays for LEDs for 10 years or more. They always work well. Depending on how old your vehicle is, if it's pre-80s, you're not gonna be able to use a flasher relay. You would actually have to use resistors. If it's after the mid-80s, you can actually end up using flasher relays on most vehicles. But just some information for you guys. If you need for a 1996 all the way to 2002 at Autozone, these Duralast lock-in fuel caps are great. Part number is 5795. That will work for any year, any make of the 4Runner. So 1996 base model, SR5 limited. If you get to 2001 and 2, you have the base SR5, and then you have SR5 Sport and Sport Edition. You have Limited Edition. They all take the exact same fuel cap. But that's all I got for you guys today. The part numbers for these guys are EP35 and EP34. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. Thank you guys for stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!